and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you our contestant number 4, standing at 5 feet and 7 inches tall, weighing 113 pounds, from Pack District. Here is Mr. Shihai Hanko.
But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying and chalk.
Good evening, judges, and today we are present here. Ami aji awuni khan la age de khara kuri ase. Ami awuni khan la mon ki babigine ahi ase. Ami itu najane. Holebi ami ki babine ase itu awuni khan ge. Koi dibole mon thaka pra yete khara kuri se. Ekta aji gali manudu higher study goine man dur de jai. Holebi ekjon manudu tai higher study garne mountain ekta de uthigine tai kitab puri thagise. Kitab puri thagadu taila sati bra ahine. Sati awuni kile itu iman ucha de kitab puri ase buise. Ami higher study kuri ase. Aro itu ekjon tai dukan ekta de jaine radio ekta kinibole jaise. Itu radio de Make in Japan kune likhine ase. Tai itu saine man khushi paise tai itu kinine lojese. Tai gorde loine baja de do All India radio ahise. Tai itu hunigine man dia lagise tai opos dukan de lo jaine. Dukan wala pintu auni bia radio ami ke bikri kuri dise na. Dukan wala bara. Nai sir ami bia wala auni ke bikri kuri dia nai. Ekdom bal wala he bikri kuri se. Tai sabi yede Make in China kuri ne likhigine ase. Itu baca le tu All India radio hi dure. Aro ami aji yete thaga khan aro ami khan naga manu tu ite tu pura Christian hoise. Aro church khan debi deacon board thage. Itu deacon board te ekta. Every deacon board te tai khan itu small piglet ami khan laga kotha de hole vonne koi. Itu small piglet ekta khai. Aro tai khan itu ek sal de 53 times tai khan meeting thagise. Gahori bi tu iman tok tu khaise hola olebi. Tai khan 53 thaga tu ekta last audit kore dam de pig tu hole 54 hoise. Tai khan itu babi thagise. Ai ami khan sabi 53 times meeting thagise. Kiniga ekta small piglet to access hoise. Tai khan niga babi thagya tu ekta emergency meeting nimde aro extra hoise. Aro aji gale sob manabi phone mobile duri thage. Itu mara ekta minister ekta tu tai phone call kuri ase computer bra. The number is busy. Please try after some time. Aro tai babise dusra manna ase koine. Are avni ami ke na jane. Ami avni ke transfer kuri dibo dei. Aro yada ekta avni khange junai dibole. Itu ajikali tu ki holebi form fill up kuribole lage. Itu bra ekjon bacha tu taila form ekta de fill up kuribole jaise. Tai tu taila ama tu hole English manu ase hola foreigners ase hola. Tai tu itu form tu fill up kuribole jadam de tai babi thagise hodai itu ami la mother tongue bra hi likhi thage. Aji tu dusra bra likhi dibo koine father very long bra likhi dise. Aro itu aji awin khange practically itu proof kuri dibole ami yete khara kuri ase. Itu abuni khan najani ne thagibo pare. Itu ke aji gale tu hospital goe. Itu kile hospital goele tu aji gale higher authority bra facility khan tu sob opor bra khai dine napunche itu bra facility tu sob tukara goine ami khan jaga napunche gine khatam ho jay. Itu bra hospital itu ke hospital bhi koy ami khan spoon bhi koy Aro itu chenda thaga tu tate bara ajikali tu bimar samar thaga khan sob yete bara pawo. Yete tu chenda thaga khan tu itu bimar la chenda disease khan la chenda gura bara itu chenda hoje. Itu chenda tu ami khan hospital kodu na hospital itu tu chenda thaga bara hospital koy. Aro itu ajikali tu manu khan tu kam debi na jale bi ajikali tu ek moina de ek bar office jale tu tangka tu ni pai jay hole bi ami kobole mon thaga tu kun tala duty de sincere na hoy itu khan ge cancer ho jabo ini simple. Okay, anyway, thank you.
Well, that was contestant number 4, Mr. Shahai Rakho from Paik District. So now let's hear it from the judges. Sir Chuba.
아미도 아버님 조과브라 올라시네 바브나 고실래 이만 조바 마티시도나 아마라인 코브라 또 아미 바비실래 더르게 나이시나 이거나 이도 অলপ interrupt করব ভাবিছিলে ওলিবি আপনি ভাল explanation একটা দিতে দিও a new name for a spoon anyway আপনি কোরা তো ভালো করিছে and then I see room for improvement করিব পারিব give it up. And for your performance, well, I would like to give a 7.
Thank you, sir.
Good humor, good beginning, I should say. Very clean, and your Nagamis was very, very clear. Your accent was very good. Of course, everything was good, but I don't know why I am giving 6. I'm convinced that I should give you 6.
Well, Shai, you have been a very inspiration to me since my childhood. Since you're more senior than me, I've been enjoying a lot of your jokes till then, so I would like to see you even in the next round, so I would like to give you an 8.
이도도 얼룩 partially 전이시나 나야.
No, you can do it.
নিজের বসে মানুষ মাফ পেয়েছিল anyway তাই তো celebrity যা যাচ্ছে তারা খুশি আছে দিব পারে.
Well, friends, once again, that was our contestant number 4, Mr. Shahai Rakho. So, Shahai, dia tala friends kan nimi dekiba appeal koribole mon thakile.
My code number is 04. Awuni Khan, ami ekta kotha holibi Awuni Khan ge mon olop bi choine khushi paise bole ami ge vote dibi goine Awuni Khan ge request kore ase. Thank you.
Thank you very much.